It's catching fast.
Keep the bags back. Flames jump quicker when it's plastic.
Look at the colors, like a carnival, only hotter.
Yeah, give it a minute. It'll settle to coal.
Smells sharp.
Keep your face turned. Smoke stings worse than heat. Delay.
Don't rush it. You need to give it a little at a time. Let it settle first. A river that hardens. Give it a minute.
They're all in straight in? Yeah.
Keep them coming. I found it. What the hell?
Watch your hand. Not a hit in it.
Good. Let it melt all the way down. Big one coming. Together.
Nice. That's burning clean.
Easy. And keep it moving so it doesn't seize.
I'm on it.
Good. It's thickening now. One more turn.
Fuel's ready.
Ready as it gets.
Don't flatten it. Quick before.
Keep it moving. I don't want it to set on the high spot. Got it. Flame steady. That turquoise is starting to bloom. Yeah, blend it through the gold right there. Like this? Perfect. Now I can pull it into the swirl. Looks like a galaxy. A really smooth one. Let's cool it down. Done. Nice.
Bring it to slow. Keep it straight.
Okay.
That's it. Let the weight do the work.
Feels heavy.
Heavy is good. Makes it flat.
1, 2, 3,
Keep
4,
counting.
5.
Good. Coming to the end. Lift a bit.
Okay.
Smooth as glass. Feel that? It's perfect.
Look at this. Solid all the way through. 5 feet across and it came out in one piece. See those colors? Teal, amber, bits of charcoal, like frozen smoke. Feels like stone, but it's just plastic, hardened good and proper.
Ready when you are.
All right, see what that hammer thinks of it.
Ready? Set it.
Oof.
That's clean. One more. Pieces are getting smaller every
Makes
day.
it easier to melt down, right?
Yep.
Bucket's already half full. Last chunk. Perfect. Scooping that up.
Got another one.
Perfect, let's feed them in.
It just eats it up.
Yep, turns it into something new in seconds.
It's like colorful snow.
And all of it gets a second chance.
Texture's consistent, no clumping, flow's clean. Machine's running smooth tonight. That's good work.
That's fine. Steady. Good. Keep it flowing right in the middle.
Feels like we're making snow.
Exactly. Just warmer in here. All right. That's full. Fold it over like this. Hold it tight for me.
Got it.
Knot goes under. Pull. There.
Solid.
Oh, the bin almost full?
Yeah, one more scoop to top it off.
Good. I'll stack this and grab another empty.
Appreciate it.
Let me know if you need a hand lifting that one.
Will do. Thanks.
All right, fresh batch going in. These pet pellets, they don't look like much yet, but watch what happens when the barrel brings them up to temperature. There we go, melting down, glossy already. In just a minute, this will be a perfect ribbon of plastic ready for extrusion.
Straight out of the die, they're hot like noodles from a pot. I guide them in gently so they don't twist. The water takes the heat away in a few seconds. You can see the color change, orange to milky white. Once it firms up, I just lift it out like this. Nice and straight, smooth.
These little pellets started life as discarded bottles and packaging. After sorting and washing, we melt them down and reform them into this consistent dark grey feedstock. Notice the sheen, each piece is uniform and strong. When I rub it between my fingers, there's no dust, no crumbling.
Slow pour, let it settle. You don't want it spilling over. One more scoop should do. There we go. Grab the throat, twist it tight, and we tie it off for the shelf. Solid. Ready for the next order.
Slide it under, just like that. Pull, keep it flat, another turn. There. Tighten it, give it a snap. Can't let a single grain spill. One more for luck. There we go. Solid. Not going anywhere now.
There we go. Easy. Right there. Solid.
Easy does it. There we go. Copper scroll.
Looks clean. I see no flash on the rim. Good pull, nice color all the way through. We'll cool it down and send it to finishing.
You want the blade to kiss the edge, not bite into it. Let the leather fall away on its own. Smooth, that's better. Now for the legs. Line up the bracket, drop the screw in, and let the threads find home. Little turns, don't rush it. There, rock solid.
There we go, locked in. Hold back again.